Oh, dude, you making a video, really?
What did you, baby?
Bro, I didn't know it was already recording.
Sitting lonely in my room again.
Bro, we're getting a sidebowl. Cervantes, you know we're getting a sidebowl.
What's up, bro?
Something you guys don't know, that's how I'm gonna take you there.
Show us your Cali ways.
Yeah, I'm taking Cali ways.
So where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going?
I know, where are we going, Cervantes?
Where are we going? Bro, no. Okay. Yeah.
What? Oh,
What you get?
Sun hurts.
New tat.
That shit hurts, bro. The sun actually burns me.
Alright, so we're going to show this Cali boy how to air up his tires.
What the fuck? I don't know how to air my tires. You're just helping me. You're assisting me. Yeah, okay.
Holy, oh my god, look how dirty they are.
Dude, it's old. No, it was
You
actually.
ever tried to clean them?
No.
Alright, so what does it say on your tire?
Are you like asking me or you're testing me?
I'm asking you.
Somewhere here. Oh no, yeah, I know where.
Inside of your door? Yeah, right there.
Tire. Why does it say P205?
33.
Oh, 33. Okay.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh,
So
33.
33.
Yeah. 33.
Yeah. Okay.
Your spare tire is at 60.
Yeah. I already used spare tire, but yeah.
So yeah.
So 33 for both.
Yep. Yeah.
First.
Just grab it.
Oh. Bro, yeah. Let's go. Shit, all the power.
Here, do you want it? I'll do it. Here, you just hold it.
Where does the air come from? So 33. It'll take a while. This one's slow.
Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody here.
Wind it up.
But I see the light from far away. It's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. Cause there will be a time.
Yeah. There, squirt out this one. Squirt out that one.
Oh my god, you want me to do it for you?
Oh shit.
This one?
Yeah. Just a little bit. Okay, yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Alright.
What are you getting?
Acai bowl. Acai? Same thing.
There will be a time. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in like I'm innocent. Why do I try? Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again. Thinking that I fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. They can be happy and walk
What?
with a smile.
I'm on.
You have to jump. I don't think I'm gonna jump. You got a ball.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I got medium. I got medium last time.
I literally fell asleep.
I wear my cap.
Yeah, dude.
When?
When I got my haircut.
Oh, really? Oh, you got haircut today?
Yeah.
So what did we just have?
I don't know, what did we just have?
Oh, what's up, bro?
Acai bowl.
Acai, dude.
Hey, it's my jam.
Acai.
Aw.
I wasn't there.
It was still my jam.
A California tradition?
Has the camera been on me? It's still coming. No.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Where?
The crab, dude.
The crab?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
See if you can put your camera in there.
stuff in my bag. It was. Right here?
There's the crab.
Oh, Ramirez gotta hurry his ass up. Hey, you can put that in the water, bro.
I know, I'm
Yeah, but
scared.
he doesn't want it. He wanted me to do it first. He's like, you test it. Wait, change your thing
What?
to the this one.
Why?
Because this is waterproof.
It's in the car.
Oh my god. You gonna get it?
Nah.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight.